maybe one day you pass by here, welcome to Backpack Hostel.
I will definitely stop here again.
So I had a wonderful time in Chiang Rai, but it's time to say goodbye to the Backpackers Hostel and to get my bus, which I'm going on the Green Line bus again because I really like those, and I'm going back to Chiang Mai. Can't wait to get there because when I get there I'm going to be able to reconnect with Tony and Kendall again. It will be lovely to see them again. When I get back, the hostel I'm staying in, the lady I met in Langkawi months ago, Sinead, she's there as well. So
I've made it. Well, I'm finally back in Chiang Rai. It feels like the most time. It's been about 4 weeks. And here I am. It feels like coming home.
So when I was staying in Chiang Rai, I was staying in a 12-bed dorm, which was lovely. I really liked it. So coming back to Chiang Mai, I decided to stay in a private room. Unfortunately, it had no air conditioning and I really struggled without the aircon.
This is my new room in Just Chill. So you get your own private room with a shared bathroom, and the bathroom is shared between 2 private rooms, which is quite nice, so you know that there's never going to be a long line. And Sinead is 1 floor up from me, so I'm on the 2nd floor, she's on the 3rd floor, so I'll go and find her in a minute.
So after my initial 7 days, the lady that owns this place turned around and said that actually she's got a private room that I could rent with air conditioning. So that's where I am right now. I will put in a little room tour for you of it.
This is my room in Chiang Mai, this one here. Okay, so this is my new room. It's really nice because it's got the air conditioning and the fan and my own private bathroom. And I've stayed here now for 15 nights and it's been really nice. I really have enjoyed staying here.
So much better with the air conditioning. I have now come to the complete conclusion I cannot do a room at night with no air conditioning. It was fantastic to meet back up with Tony and Kendall again. We met up and we went out. I didn't do any videoing because we just wanted to go out and chat, but it was lovely to meet up with them again. And also it was so good to meet back up with Sinead. We have got on like a house on fire. We really have. We've had girls' nights out. We've been out to watch bands. We've been to our local pub. We've been for dinner. It's been great to actually have somebody here. So it has made me a little lazy on the videoing front, but I needed to take a bit of a rest for myself as well. And during this time, I have also done a reflexology and Thai foot massage course. I am so proud of myself. So I went along to a local massage parlour for my birthday and I got talking to the ladies there saying how I would like to train, and they set it all up for me. So the long shot is I'm now qualified. Go me. I've got my reflexology with Thai foot massage. I am so pleased. So I've also been down to a local bar here called the Score Restaurant and Bar, and that is where I sat and watched Lionesses playing the football. Oh my word, it was so exciting. Now, I'm not saying that I'm really looking forward to the Lionesses playing in the World Cup, but I'm here an hour and a half early just to get my seat next to the big TV screen. I went to the cinema, go and watch Barbie the movie. I have to say, it really wasn't for me. It was just the most bizarre movie. I didn't get on with it. I don't know if you've ever been to the cinema in Thailand. At the beginning of every movie, they play the Thai national anthem and everybody stands up and sings along with the Thai national anthem. I just thought that was really nice. So, waking up on the 29th of August. Such a special day for me.
Okay, just woken up. And the day is Tuesday, the 29th of August. And when I went to bed last night, I had 991 subscribers. So I'm going to check. I'm so close. I've just got to check and see. But I want you to be here with me. So I have my laptop. Let's have a look together. Okay, going to refresh the page. I only need 2 more.
It just blows my mind. I've been away for 9.5 months and I've gone from basically nothing to 1,000 subscribers in that time. So thank you everyone who's subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. It really, really does. Can I get a orange smoothie?